morning we went and got some wood chips, and I got them scattered around the tree here, and I went and pulled up. Yeah, I pulled up all the weeds out of the hostas, and I'm going to spread the wood chips around here. And you don't want to go up too close to the base of the hostas, because when the wood chips are decomposing, they use up all the nitrogen in the soil. So I'll spread them out, then we can mow up to the edge of the wood chip, kind of where I pulled the grass around here, and that should keep all the weeds and stuff out of here that we're having constantly problems with. I left the violets because I kind of like them, and here is one of the hostas that's never been able to grow very fast, very much. Yeah, I just pulled up all the weeds and stuff out of here like this. Seems like every time you come out you find more that you didn't get the first time. Okay, so what? Okay. Now, I'm going to hold my hand around this plant because I don't want the wood chips up too close. Kind of like that. Here. It would have been probably better if I had done this in the winter time, but I can't get wood chips in the winter time. So I guess the ultimate smart thing to do would be to get some in the summer and then save them until winter time. I just need to think of that this year. But wood chips are great. There's so many places around the garden that you can use them. Looks like I'm not going to have enough, so maybe next week I'll go get some more and fill in these empty places. One more. Okay. Let's put it right here. There's a little bit right here. Let's just put them in here. About right there. Okay. So there it is. Now we can just mow around up against these wood chips. And getting the wood chips in the baggy lawnmower is not going to hurt them at all. And it'll look a lot neater. And hopefully keep the grass from growing up, grass and weeds. And then maybe next week we can get some more up closer to the tree. So I hope that you liked that video. And if you thought that was a good idea, maybe you could like this video or even subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. So thanks a lot and goodbye.